Happy New Year.
We are in Robson Ranch today and checking out an inventory home that we wanted to show you because this thing is a Magnolia. It's huge, 3,600 square feet. It's got a lot of the things that you guys are always asking for. This is a pretty popular floor plan, so let's turn this thing around, Patrice, and show them. I like all the white brick.
Let me show some of that white brick. You've got these arches up above there. This little entryway, which is nice.
It's a cool part of the neighborhood too.
Yeah.
Like all the neighbors are really cool.
Yeah. And then you walk right in to this really nice entryway. They've got these little tray ceilings, and you could look right out to the back.
It's all tile all throughout. Now this was an inventory home because the buyers that were building this, it fell out. So anyway, you come on over to here, and this is that flex space that in the model they have it set up as like a dual office. But you know, obviously you could do it anyway. Patrice and I with our card table, you know,
Yep.
all that stuff. But we are still working, so it would unfortunately probably be an office.
That's a good sized closet there too.
Yeah.
If you needed an extra room, it wouldn't be too bad if you put a door on there.
Oh, okay. I was like, an extra room? Who are you putting in there?
No,
Who
I
do
meant
you hate?
This. You just have to put a door right here.
So off of here is your half bath, which is a must, right?
Definitely. I love all the doors are 8 foot. That's nice. Good size powder bath, actually.
And then you've got this coat closet.
All right, that's good.
All exciting stuff. Now we got all the business end of the home done. Now let's get into the good stuff. Now, this floor plan has that dining area right here that if you are an entertainer, this is the house. I mean, there's so much going on. First of all, you've got this huge buffet that you can put all sorts of goodies on, right? But what I love is this courtyard. Let me get out here and show you guys just real quick what I would do, because it's basically 2 patios, right? Let's be honest. But they've got the gas stub here, so you can either do a fire feature, but they don't have a gas stub on the original or on the main patio, so I would build this thing out like a killer barbecue area.
That's actually a really good idea because if you're having dinner in here, then you just bring the food right in.
You just bring it right on in.
Plus, you have that door that goes to the
kitchen.
kitchen. Yeah, that is a good idea.
Thank you. When it comes to patios, I'm all right.
We'll leave you to the patio.
Oh, you heard that. That's on. Don't edit that out. All right, come through here. Now we're getting into the heart of the home. I mean, look at how big this room is. This house is giant.
It's really big.
It's just screaming for one of those huge 100-inch TVs. I don't know, is that too much, you think?
Not in our house. It's
Not in my, not for me, but I don't know. You know, for the normal folk, let us know below. What is the maximum TV size you'd put in there? But look at, all these are extras, guys. So this thing is priced at $960,000, 3,600 square feet, and it's got everything that you want, right?
Seems like a deal.
Yeah. It's all soft close. You got this big, giant, at least a 5-bed island. Like I said, it's all soft close. The one thing I like the drawers down here. It doesn't have that.
Well, you know, a lot of these cabinets, if you open them, have like a pull-out drawer in them, I believe.
Yeah.
Which is nice. That's kind of a nice to have.
And they are soft close too.
Yeah, that's really nice.
But down here, they don't have that. Come through here. This is where you hide all your junk, your coffee maker, your air fryer, all that stuff.
Yeah, with so much. I mean, the cabinetry in this place is crazy. You have so much storage.
They do, but I wish they would have had those glass.
Yeah, to take that up. Otherwise, it's just kind of you're catching dust a little bit.
This is where I'm going, Patrice, to get out to my
your
smoker.
kitchen.
Oh,
Yeah.
my heart.
That's a great place.
And then look at this, Costco approved.
Very good size. Okay, well, this is a very nice house.
Yeah, and then look at here. I'm so excited.
Well, I like that all the windows in there open. That's fantastic. The amount of airflow you can get, I love that.
So right here, what would you do with this? You've got your formal dining out there. Would this be kind of your breakfast nook, or would you set it up kind of with
Like a
chairs,
seating?
like a coffee room? You know?
That's a good question. That is a
Well,
good
that's
question.
what I'm asking.
Because we don't really use our dining room as
No.
it is,
So we, Dan don't need to.
Right, exactly.
Look at this.
Oh, I love
I'm gonna have a
this.
confession.
Okay.
When we were turning on all the lights, I came out here already.
Uh-huh.
One, I wanted to check to verify if they did have a gas stub out here, which they did not. I say that, and then I see a gas stub right over here. Huh, okay.
Oh, it's way over
It's
there. What an odd
No, I didn't
spot
look
for it.
over that. But I went to go turn on this fireplace, because you turn
Yeah.
it on right here,
Right?
and I got a little nervous because it didn't turn on right away and was clicking. We've had a situation with the
We have
fireplace
had a situation.
that we almost blew up a house. Not us, the builder on a walkthrough that we were doing. And ever since then, if it doesn't turn on right away, I'm out. I
Yeah.
turn that thing right back off.
It came on and made a loud sound, and
It was the
scary.
loudest bomb, like a bomb went off. I mean, it was frightening. Anyway, down here are your bedrooms, your secondary bedrooms, but we're going into the primary.
Oh, nice little linen, okay.
Nice little linen closet. Look how big this room is.
I know, this is like unusually large to me.
It's giant.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's a good 5 feet bigger than normal.
right. Yeah, I mean, I don't even know what I would do with all this space. You'd have to have a lot of furniture in here. It's nice that they put all the crown molding throughout the house and stuff though.
Now, what do you think about the neighbors?
Yeah, are they too close? Are they fine? You would definitely want to put some trees, I think, to...
Now, these guys look at how they got their screens
Oh,
down.
they do have their screens. So that's kind of what it looks like with the screens down.
And then these guys have a pool.
No, they do have a pool. So you need to make friends with those people. So you can...
But it always cracks me up
in their pool.
in the active adult communities when they have a pool and they have, the wrought iron, because you couldn't do that at least
In a regular
North
neighborhood.
Texas.
Yeah, you're right.
So anyway, let's go into what I love about this floor plan and the ensuite. You've got his and her closets,
Yes, this is
which is
very
always nice.
Kind of goes around and everything. It's a good. This is a good sized closet, but her closet is much bigger.
Massive.
And then you've got
You got the
split
split
sinks,
sinks.
which you love.
Now, which one would you take? Look at this one. The sink is kind of in the middle, and this one's offset.
I don't care.
Okay.
Either one is good to me.
All right. Okay. I sort of picture
How
you
about
there.
you pick that and I get the bigger
You
closet?
get the bigger closet. That's fine with me. I mean, I don't care.
Although I do not need a closet this big. I'll tell you that. That's crazy.
I love this shower.
Yeah, it's a good size shower.
I
It's a
just
big
wish
square.
it had a rain head.
Yeah.
But this is just a cool spot. Now, it doesn't have a niche, but
That's
you can
okay.
fix all that.
Right. And then it goes right into the laundry room, which I love.
Yes. And it not only goes into the laundry area, which Patrice loves, but it doesn't even take up any of your closet space, because normally it's at
Yeah,
that
that's
doorway
true.
into your closet.
And you could fit a fridge. Imagine having a fridge that close to your bedroom. You just go get yourself a drink. And
Jeez. Speaking my language,
I know.
my love language.
Amazing.
All
Well,
right.
we've been married 30 years, so.
Yeah. Here's a linen closet, but you've seen one. You've
Yes.
seen them all. All right. Here is the secondary bedroom number 1
Okay.
with
it
its own
is-
ensuite. Perfect size closet that says, hey, let's be comfortable, but not too comfortable.
I would like to know what people think of the color of the doors and the trim.
See, I hesitated on even bringing that up, because that is something that is a non-starter with Patrice and I.
Yeah. But I don't hate this. I wouldn't pick it.
Correct.
But I
mean,
think
we would
this
just
house
pick the
is a
white.
great
I mean,
deal.
if you want to accent stuff, there's other ways to do it. You know, that's not so permanent and such a pain and a costly thing. But here's another room. This one with a bathtub. And again, just same old closet, same size room. I mean, it's pretty identical.
It sure is.
Now, this house has a 3-car garage. Like I said, 3,600 square feet, 2 patios. I mean, what more do you want in
incredible dining
Robson
area.
Ranch? Yeah. This is a really popular floor plan. Let's check out the closet real quick.
The closet?
Closet, I mean the car.
The garage.
3-car garage. I'm all over the place. Guys, it's a new year. It's a new Andy.
New year, new
I'm going to be
you.
fumbling all over the place.
It's a great garage, though. I always love when they put the trim in the garages.
Yeah. They
Just kind of finish it out a little bit.
epoxy this floor,
Yeah.
and this thing is ready to go. It's got the plugs for your EVs if that's what you want to do. So anyway, this is the 3-car garage. Exciting stuff.
He loves the garages.
I do. I love the garages and patios.
Oh, this is nice. Look at, you've got that's a big coat closet right there. That's got the sliders, and then you've got like a mud bench right there. So you can get everything dumped off right there and come on in.
This house has a lot to offer. It has a lot going for it. Drop a comment below. Let us know what you would change, what you would do if you like this floor plan. If you do not like this floor plan, let us know in the comments below. Again, smash that like button. It helps the algorithm, helps get our message out as much as possible. And for all of your real estate needs, if you're looking for any real estate needs in the state of Texas, you know who to call in 2026. It's Andy Patrice. Hit that dream home form below and let's start the conversation. Until the next time, I'm Andy.
And I'm Patrice.
Take care.
All right, if you've made it this far, you're definitely our kind of people. So let's make this easy. If you're planning a move to an active adult community anywhere in the US, we're the team to help. We've spent years building the only nationwide network that specializes in this space. So before you scroll to the next video, click the link in the description and let's figure out your life after the grind.